Hey Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Trackies, please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now with that said, medals galore for Jamaica at the Nacac U18 and U23 championships. Kicking things off is Theianna Terrelonge. Trackie, she walks away with the double. Yes, she won the 100 meters earlier and now today she has won the 200 meters to win a double here at the Nacac U18 championships for herself. Now, in the 200 meters, she ran 23.53 seconds, which is a new Nacac under 18 record. Behind her was Lanika Locker from Antigua and Barbuda, second, 23.64 seconds, and Francis Jolie Vasquez from Puerto Rico, 24.08 seconds, walks away with the bronze medal. Now, moving on, track is to the under 18 men in the 200 meters at the Nacac Championships. Jamaica gets silver here. Now, Kaisley Daly from Antigua Barbuda walks away with the gold medal, 21.40 seconds, and Ainsley McGregor from Jamaica gets silver, 21.70 seconds. Now, Caden Smith from the Bahamas walked away with bronze, 21.76 seconds. Also in the 200 meters, this time in the under 23 section for the men, Callum Robinson from Canada walked away with the gold, 20.52 seconds, and Demar Francis walked away with silver from Jamaica, 20.67 seconds. From the United States, Connie Washington walked away with bronze, 20.74 seconds. Moving on from the 200 meters, we're going to the men's high jump. We're talking about the under 18 men. Chavez Penn from Jamaica walks away with gold, jumping 2.10 meters trackies to clinch that title for the under 18 section. Andrew Stone from the Cayman Islands was second, 2.07 meters, and Jadi James from Trinidad and Tobago third, 1.95 meters. Next event up, we have the under 23 100 meter hurdles. Now, winning was Renia Jones from the United States, 12.78 seconds, and Christelle Morrison, our very own Jamaican, walked away with silver, running 12.81 seconds. A very close finish there for her. And Destiny Hooven from the United States took bronze, 13.19 seconds. In the men's long jump in the under 23 section, Malcolm Clemons from the United States took gold, jumping 8.21 meters. Jerem Davis, also from the United States, jumped 8.10 meters for second, and Jordan Turner from Jamaica jumped 7.82 meters for the bronze medal. In the men's 110 meter hurdles on the 18 section, we walked away with the Quinella there. Daniel Wright from Jamaica took gold, 13.31 seconds, and Kahim Karbi, also from Jamaica, walked away with silver, 13.34 seconds. Behind them was Yarnder Luis Machine from Cuba. He walks away with bronze, 13.41 seconds. In the 400 meters under 18 section, we got a silver here from Joshua Wind. Taking it was Zion Miller from the Bahamas, running 48.08 seconds. Behind him, as I said, Joshua Wind running 48.68 seconds, and Zion Shepherd running 49.10 seconds from the Bahamas to the bronze medal. We also had Jabari Matheson in this race, and he placed fourth, running 49.29 seconds. Now, in the women's under 23 section of the 400 meters, Jamaica walked away with a bronze medal here. Winning it was from the United States, Jermaisha Arnold, running 50.68 seconds, which was a new under 23 Nacac record. Behind her was Zaya Hallman from the United States, also running 50.95 seconds, and Shanike Anderson from Jamaica ran 52.27 seconds for the bronze medal. Now, behind her, of course, was Joan Weed from Jamaica running 54.10 seconds to finish fourth. In the under 23 section of the 400 meters trackies, we had Jamaica winning there. DeAndre Anderson taking that win, 45.56 seconds. Behind him, Cale Gale from Barbados running 45.80 seconds, and William Jones from the United States running 45.95 seconds took the bronze medal. We also had Ryan Hales in this race. He placed fifth, running 46.69 seconds. In the 4x100 meters relay in the men under 18 section, we struck silver there. Taking the win was Trinidad and Tobago, running 41.14 seconds. For Jamaica, as I said, we struck silver here with Kaim Carby, Trevor Smith, Ainsley McGregor, and Joshua Wint taking it in 41.18 seconds. In bronze was Bahamas running 41.19 seconds. In the under 23 section of the 4x100 meter relays, we also took silver here. Now, taking the win was the United States running 42.74 seconds, which is a new Nacac under 23 record. Jamaica with a team of Crystal Morrison, Shaquina Foot, Nisha Berger, and Shanike Anderson ran 43.80 seconds to take the silver medal. Behind them, Trinidad and Tobago comes up for bronze, running 44.50 seconds. In the under 23 section of the men's 4x100 meters relay, Jamaica walked away with the gold here. Now, the team consisting of Jelani Gordon, Adrian Kerr, Travis Williams, and Shakur Williams walked away with that gold, running 39.04 seconds. And of course, that's the second gold medal for Adrian Kerr at this meet because he did win the 100 meters earlier on in the meet. Taking silver was Bahamas, running 39.59 seconds, and behind them, the United States in bronze, 39.62 seconds. Absolutely fantastic run. Now, in the men's high jump for the under 23 section, Jamaica won the gold here. Now, Romain Beckford won, jumping 2.21 meters. Kaisley O'Reilly from the United States was second, silver, 2.18 meters, and Sean Miller Jr. from the Bahamas was third, the bronze medal, 2.15 meters. And in the women's under 23 triple jump, Rihanna Phipps walks away with the gold there. Trackies jumping 13.61 meters. Behind her was Eurofine Andre from the United States, jumping 13.42 meters, and Ashera Collins from the United States also jumping 13.04 meters. Now, trackies, to close out the show, trackies, on today, the final day of the Nacac under 18 and under 23 championships was, of course, the 4x400 meter relays. Now, in the under 18 men's section, trackies, we took gold. Joshua Wint, Daniel Wright, Jabari Mattison, and Trevor Smith ran 3 minutes 12.80 seconds for that win. Behind them was Bahamas, 3 minutes 19.80 seconds, and also in third place was Trinidad and Tobago, running 3 minutes 26.81 seconds. Now, in the women's under 23 section, we walked away with silver there. Taking the win was the United States, running 3 minutes 26.83 seconds, which is a new Nacac under 23 record. Now, also in silver, as I said, Jamaica, the team of Gabrielle White, Shaquina Foot, Joanne Reed, and Shanike Anderson ran a time of 3 minutes 28.50 seconds. Taking the bronze medal was Costa Rica, running 4 minutes 09.81 seconds. And to close out the show, track is in epic style. Jamaica walked away with gold in the men's under 23 section for the 4x400 meter relays. Trackies, I wonder if this is a sign of things to come at the World Championships in Budapest. Remember, Jamaica is going for gold there. And now, we have our men taking the gold at the under 23 Nacac Championships, defeating, yes, the United States. Now, the team of Ashani Wilson, Raheem Hales, Delana Kedley, and DeAndre Anderson ran 3 minutes 02.44 seconds to take the win. Behind them, the United States running 3 minutes 03.84 seconds, and in third place was the Bahamas running 3 minutes 04.33 seconds. Track is absolutely fantastic. As I said, medals galore. On the medal table, Jamaica finished second with 32 medals, with the United States placing ahead of them with 47 medals. Now, our team won 13 gold, 14 silver, and 5 bronze medals. Now, in third was Canada with 28 medals. Now, trackies, how do you feel about our athletes' performances at the Nacac under 18 and under 23 championships? How proud are you? Sound off in the comment section below. As usual, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.